안녕. Today I'm doing a mukbang that is Easter themed because it's Easter Friday and Easter weekend. So I got some hot cross buns, but today the weather is so good. Just wanted to show you on my snap. And since it's Easter themed, I don't know how to show this on like the camera except for showing you my phone, so I love this app. So now that that's over, I have 2 hot cross buns in the oven. I've put them in for like a few minutes. I just wanted to see the difference between like normal hot cross buns and like hot cross buns, because I assume you're supposed to heat them up. And I'm gonna have some banana milk. This is just normal almond milk, but I bought some banana like drink flavoring, so I'm gonna put that in there. So let me just adjust. So this is what I have. It's basically straws with the flavors inside. So it says do not cut the straw, so I assume you just put it through. That's so weird. The flavoring is inside the straw, so yum. So this one's been in the oven, so it is better. Oh, I got a haircut. It was so cool yesterday. I reached 100 subscribers, which is really cool because my channel hasn't been set up, like it hasn't even been like 30 days yet, which is like the YouTube requirement for if you want to change your channel URL address. So I have the 100 subscribers, but I have to wait till 30 days. And then I can like change it to something easier to remember and fits for my channel. Instead of just UC60E861Y, you know. And thanks for all the positive like comments and but I don't mind like negative comments as long as it's sort of like constructive, like I can sort of improve from it, not just like negative for no reason, or you give me something negative but there's no follow-up. So these few days I've been like obsessed with watching BTS videos on YouTube. For those of you that might not know, BTS is like a K-pop group. And I had never really been into them because I didn't find out anything about them, because I felt like I was like the older generation, so I'm like, I only know the old groups. But I'm so obsessed. My bias is Jungkook. If any of you watching this are into BTS, let me know who your bias is. I was trying to get the banana milk, like the Korean kind. But I couldn't find it like in the like Asian shops in like a Chinatown or anywhere around there. So that's really like annoying. You know, sometimes when you just want to eat something, like you're like, I want it like today. So now I'm looking online, even though I got this and it tastes really good. I just want to see if they do it, you know? But for me it's not good enough because it's the Easter weekend. So there will be no delivery until like Tuesday. And like when you get a craving or something, it's like instant. Like you want it like that moment. So I'm so glad I found these. And it doesn't even look like they have what I'm looking for. You know, the kind of banana milk like in actual Korea. I've had it there, so good. And I actually watched a mukbang a few days ago. Like a famous South Korean one. And he was testing all the new flavors. Like, I don't know if it's new flavors, but They had like pink, but it all had like that shape. But it was like, I don't know, I was so jealous. I want to go to Korea this year. I've been there. Oh, I actually got a question on Snapchat the other day from a viewer. And she wanted to ask me what it was like if I've been to Korea and what it was like. So I have been to Korea like quite a few times, like 3 or 4 times. And I went, the most recent one I went was last year, I think. I think it's amazing for food. It's very similar to Japan in some ways, but it's more relaxed, I guess. Like Japan is more buzzing, like it's constantly going, but I think in Korea it's more chilled. And the food is amazing. I love going like shopping in Dongdaemun and then eating like at I think every mall has like a floor where they're dedicated to like food, so shopping is good. I think personally I would recommend Dongdaemun, and Myeongdong has some interesting places for shopping, but it can be like a little bit expensive. I'm just the type of person that enjoys online shopping way too much, so like when you put me in like a shopping area, I'm just like, I'd rather go shop online because there's like stuff that you don't see around shops, and also there's like, I feel like there's a better deal online. Plus when you're bored, you go online and you just look at like shops and browse. It's such a good way to procrastinate. Suggesting ways to procrastinate. And also Korea is really fun. It has a lot of like water parks and stuff in the summer. And there's also a latte like theme park, which is indoors. It's a great city to travel to. I mean, especially if you're into like the Korean culture. So, but if it's me, I would recommend like, since the two countries are so close, I would go to Seoul. But I would also want to go to Tokyo because they're so close, so you might as well. And you get to see like completely different culture. And it's just, you get to see the bus, but then you also get to see like the more relaxed side of Korea. It's a pretty friendly, like tourist friendly place to go to because it's very easy to get around. The cab is cheap. The metro is easy. I don't even know how I got to this topic. Oh, all because of banana milk. Is it weird to want to go to a country because of banana milk? Now that I'm like so obsessed with like certain groups and stuff, I'm just imagining like how amazing it would be to like meet them or like see them. I got some requests to do mukbangs like in Chinese, and I thought that's quite fun. Perhaps I could do one in the future, like just in Chinese, and majority of my videos will be in English, so I would like to have some feedback and see what you guys think. This is so nice, it's got like little fruity bits in there. I'm not used to my hair yet. Yesterday when I went for the haircut, the lady was like, because I had some products in my hair, and so it was not easy to brush out. So she was literally pulling my head like this, and I was literally like screaming inside. I was like, she's trying to like rip my scalp off. I feel like I want to dye my hair as well. But I'm very impulsive, so I feel like I might just do it. Especially because it feels so summery right now. Today I went out to buy all the, I did some food shopping, and I also went looking for banana milk. It was really hot, and so I had to come home and wear my spring clothes. I'm not complaining because it's very like pleasant. England is very weird, like you give us a little bit of sun and we freak out because we're not used to it. So since it's a Easter themed video, I went and got a Easter egg. I picked this one because it's supposed to come with gummies, and I'm very into that. I'm not really into like chocolate, but I thought, oh okay, the gummy is in the bag. I thought it was like in the egg. I feel like I've been lied to, but I still want to eat it. Why? ASMR. Maybe this should be my thumbnail. Like this. I felt misled. If you have an egg and you have all these drawings, I would feel like it's supposed to be an egg with like gummy bears in, like, you know, embedded in it. So that would be super amazing, and that's why in my head I pictured it like that and I bought it. But it's still satisfying to eat a whole Easter egg. It was crazy today. I was trying to go to the my university to work on my dissertation. But I mean, I could work on my dissertation on my laptop, but I was trying to do the program bit, which requires the special program. And I know some people have the program that is used to analyze statistics. They have it on their laptop, but I don't, so but I find it so annoying when you go to the library and it's so crowded. I mean, going to the library is like a death sentence already, because you're like there to like work. So on top of that, if you go in there and it's so crowded, and it just feels very like claustrophobic, so I had to get out of there. I mean, it's a place full of pressure, because I feel like everyone is coming to the library these days because they gotta like finish their dissertation, I'm assuming, or like coursework and stuff, because it's coming near the end of term. So it's just one of those, March is just one of those months where everyone is very busy. Let's see how hot it is today. Like, the egg is like melting. It reminds me of the inside of a Kinder. When I was young, Kinder was the bomb. Actually, when I went to Amsterdam, Kinder is also the bomb there. I don't know why, but I thought it was cool. They have these massive crab restaurants, like pancakes, crab. They sell like giant tubs of Nutella in there, and they have like Ferrero Rocher, Kinder eggs, all in like huge sizes. And I'm like, why don't we have that here? I have a good feeling about this. This is gonna give me a sugar high. because before this I was feeling very tired and I felt like I was gonna like pass out, have a nap. But I think with this I won't suffer from the food coma. All I'm suffering from is sticky fingers. Should I save this bit just in case? I think I might save this just in case I need a sugar kick, because I don't have any sugary stuff at mine actually. This is so good. The banana milk. Banana. This is not the weirdest straw you've ever seen in your life. So I guess this is a short video, which is nice. I mean, it's good to have a variety because all my videos are like nearly an hour long, so I'm guessing maybe some people would want some shorter videos. Excuse me. So, to the people new to my channel, hi, and if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, subscribe, give me a like, do whatever you gotta do if you like it. If you don't, it was nice seeing you. Until next time, which I have no idea when at the moment because I'm very full and I think I'm gonna upload this and then do some work and happy days. So yeah, tell me what you think about the new hair. Pyong. So this is how sunny it is today. It's amazing. I don't know if you can see, but there's the London Eye over there, like a tiny little corner, if you can see that.